Well, it's been over a month now, sorry about that, but it's been a busy month, and it is now time for another aerial tour of Talon Preserve on Palmerranch. There's been a lot of development and the community is filling out fast. This footage was shot on Thursday, March 17th, 2022, around 5 p.m. As I speak, it's March 30th. We'll zoom right up to an altitude of 250 feet for a panoramic 360-degree view of the whole community. Ahead you see Mossy Pine and Crested Eagle, and then we pan to the Eagle's Nest Preserve area. Big news there, we can confirm at least one baby eaglet has hatched and is being nursed by the parents. Past the south end of Eagle Branch Drive, we see the Amenity Center site where work continues in the pool area and all around. Now we'll cross over Talon Preserve Drive and get a view of the third phase of the community off in the distance. That swings us over the main irrigation lake, and then we can see Little Eagle Loop and Winding Pine Drive beyond. The Phase 1 section of Eagle Branch Drive comes into view with the far end and Phase 2 in the distance. Then we're panning across Grand Talon Lane with the model homes and sales center. And we're back to the main entrance before we zoom back off down Mossy Pine Court. 3 of the 4-unit villa buildings here are now complete and closed, and the remaining 3 villa buildings are under roof and moving along quite quickly. Next up is Crested Eagle Lane. Crested Eagle is really shaping up with a few more houses closed. The remaining homes still under construction are all under roof and moving along. This street looks like it will finish up by early summer. By the way, our new unofficial estimate for the entire community is about 88 to 90 homes closed as of the posting of this video. As we leave Crested Eagle, we'll turn down Talon Preserve Drive toward the main circle intersection with Eagle Branch. That brings us, of course, to the Amenity Center site and the clubhouse. As we pass over the clubhouse, you can see the coverings in place all around and roof equipment now in place. Behind the clubhouse, we see that gunite has gone in on the spa and work is underway on placing the rather large plumbing runs for the pool, spa, and splash pad. In the distance, you can see the end of Hidden Sawgrass Path. And now we'll switch to a top-down overhead view of the Amenity Center site. Passing in from the back, we again see the splash pad, spa, and pool, and you can see where the beach entry and swim lanes of the pool will be. We can see the work on the clubhouse progressing, with the roof seemingly ready for final covering whenever they decide to move forward. The roof equipment seems to be in place now. Lots of work is going on inside with most of the walls framed and much of the in-wall trades well underway. The parking areas have taken shape and they have begun stacking bundles of pavers ahead of laying in the paver sidewalks and pool deck. And there's the dumpster pad, sometimes referred to as Vince's dumpster pad. We'll pass back over the site of the future restaurant, which is at least another year in the future, and then the pool area again. And that will take us over the bathhouse, which has now received its outer stucco layer on its walls. Interior work continues there as well. Beyond the bathhouse are the flat lands for the sports courts. Not much to report here. Fingers crossed for something soon. We'll get another panning view of the front of the clubhouse, and then we'll continue through the community down Talon Preserve Drive. More homes have closed on this stretch of road, and this section of Talon Preserve looks to be wrapping up home construction soon, probably by early summer. There are some of our neighbors out for a walk. Nice day for it. Reaching the end of the paved portion of Talon Preserve Drive, we'll zoom up for a panoramic view of the third phase of the community. As we pan around, we can make out the roadbeds taking shape. In the distance ahead, you can see where the connecting bike path will go out to hook up with the Legacy Trail. And there's the future entrance onto Route 681. They've now posted the layout of the third phase on the DeVosta website. Check it out for more detail. It's hard to judge when this area will be open to drive, but my guess would be May at the earliest. Midsummer is a better bet. And there's Little Eagle Loop. Zoom and we're back behind the Amenity Center site and headed up the south end of Eagle Branch Drive. There's the dumpster pad again. All 4 of the homes on this spur of Eagle Branch are now closed. Passing over the main circle intersection, we'll head up the central portion of Eagle Branch. All homes here are under roof now as well, and a few more homes have closed in the last few weeks. At least one more home is set to close in the last days of March and another in early April. The remaining homes on this section should be completed sometime in the summer. Continuing north on Eagle Branch, we head into the second phase of construction in the community. And this area has really gotten busy in the past month. More walls have been raised up and more lots have gotten slabs or been prepped. This whole area is really taking shape now. You can see that past the intersection with Winding Pine, several more lots on Eagle Branch now have slabs and new lots have been prepped. Farther out along Eagle Branch, we again pass the location of the future dog park. And you can see that the first new villa building out here on lots 865 to 868 now has its block walls raised, with even more lots for villas having slabs now. The most obvious change out here is that the sections of wall along the outside of the community here are now complete and mostly painted. That went up very fast. Now we'll head back down to the east end of Winding Pine Drive to get a good look at the progress on Winding Pine. It's getting hard to keep up with all the work going on out here. A whole bunch of new lots have been prepped and new slabs are in place, and a bunch of homes now have walls and roofs. Nearing the intersection with Eagle Branch, you can see quite a few homes under roof here. Passing over the intersection of Winding Pine and Eagle Branch again, we see more homes with walls and roofs as construction moves along steadily on this side of Winding Pine. Some of these homes could easily close this summer and certainly by fall. See that crane on the left? That's lifting trusses onto walls to form a roof. Now we'll swing around and head down Little Eagle Loop. Again, as with Winding Pine, a lot of work has filled in the lots here and more are progressing every day. Shortly after this was filmed, more homes had their block walls put up, including Lot 523. Leaving Little Eagle Loop, we'll head out over the main irrigation lake where the water level is a bit low. Hopefully some more rain and a shift in the filling of the other lakes will get this back to normal. And we'll head over toward the main gate and out to the main entrance. That will bring this video tour for March 2022 to a close for today. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Oh, and remember to click that like button if you want to see more like this.